This is the solution video for section 9.3, problem number 9. All right, so we're given this problem. It says the slope field in the figure at the right represents solutions to a certain differential equation. Which of the following could be a specific solution to that differential equation? All right, so remember, these are y equals equations, right? And so that means we're trying to figure out which one of these could be drawn on this and match the slope field. All right. And so what we want to do is we want to know what each of these graphs look like. All right. So I'll start with the easy one, y equals x squared. You know what that looks like, right? Vertex at 0, 0, parabola, right? So can I draw this on there and it matches? Well, it should go through 0, 0, but nonetheless, no, right? Because through 0, 0, this has a negative slope, but that would be 0, right? So that doesn't fit, all right? So that's not the answer. All right, what about D? All right, well, 1 over x. We should know that 1 over x looks like this, right? And looks like this, right? So it has two parts, vertical asymptote, right? So can I draw this here, right? And it fits the slopes. No, it doesn't. Definitely not, right? So that is also not our answer. All right, what about y equals cosine? You should know the cosine graph starts at the max, goes to the min, back to the max, back to the min, back to the max, right? It's periodic, right? And so if you think about this, right, this goes from -3 to 3. So that would only be at like pi, right? So that would be like here and here, right? So it should go like this, then back up, then back down, right? That is definitely not what this slope field is recommending. So that is not our answer. All right, what about y equals the natural log of x? You should know that y equals the natural log looks like this, vertical asymptote, and then it continues like that. And so if you go here and draw that, does this match? Well, no, definitely not. All right, and so lastly, I get to A. What is y equals e to the negative x? Now, remember, y equals e to the x would look like this, right? But y equals e to the negative x would flip this graph over the y-axis, and so it would look like this, right? So can I draw that graph here and it matches? Well, yeah, it does seem to kind of match, but I could draw it a little bit better, right? So something like this, horizontal asymptote, and it gets steeper as you go up and to the left. All right, and so the answer is A.